What's up everyone, this is Morgan with Colorado Palm Pros, and I just wanted to show you what I'm doing today. We're actually in Aurora, Colorado, and I'm going to be installing some color changing lights for our customer, and we're also going to be installing an adjustable speed pump. So we talked about doing several here throughout the stream and waterfall, and possibly a couple accenting these beautiful aspen trees, really bringing some serious color to this feature. And then we're also going to be installing our AquaSurge 2 to 4000 adjustable speed pump. What's really cool about this pump is you can actually control it through your phone, adjust the speed, and then we have our color changing lights here. These are very cool because they're actually some of the only color changing lights on the market that you can still get white LED light from them. So we've got all of our lights removed. As I was pulling out some of these lights, I did notice some issues as I was coming through here. So a couple of the lights were actually warped in between the foam work because there's just not a lot of room for air in here. So I'm gonna try and get this liner pulled back up so we don't have a leak that is caused from this. Especially this guy had to break this entire waterfall rock loose because that light was foamed and tucked into here. And now we'll kind of start staging our color changing lights where we think they're gonna look absolutely gorgeous. We got the first three set in here. One here, one set back behind here, and another one off here to this corner. So we've started placing our color changing lights to accent our beautiful aspen trees here. I very carefully kind of trench back a nice little path here that we can lay our cord in between. We'll be able to connect to this other light highlighting the aspen, and this is kind of where I want all my lights to connect because our GFI is right here. Just gonna get all this buried, get everything hooked in, and then we'll start testing the lights and seeing how everything's functioning. I wanted to go over what we're doing before we install this pump. So this feature we did not actually build. We came here last year to winterize the system and we came across a lot of issues. The previous pump was inoperative and it was completely glued onto this 1.5-inch pipe coming out, and there was really no way to service that pump unless cutting that plumbing and removing it. So we're actually going to try and attach an 1.5-inch union in here to make it easier for our customer to get that pump on and off. But since they used what looks like more of a snorkel system for this pump access, I'm actually gonna have to install this pump vertically. So what's really cool is Aquascape actually gives you this little cage that we can actually stick on the front end of this pump, and that will allow us to invert this pump down inside of this basin. So we're gonna get this guy all plumbed up. So we ran into a little bit of an issue here with our plumbing and our pump. Everything is just a little bit too big. Luckily, the inside of this volt is a lot bigger than the opening. So what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna cut a little notch in this just to make it so it is accessible to get the pump in and out. And then we'll find, you know, a little bit bigger of a rock to kind of cover that hole so gravel doesn't just keep cycling in there. We got ourselves a nice little notch in there. Let's try this again. Oh my goodness gracious, it was meant to be. Okay, so got her pumped in. Most of our cords all hidden away. And I'm just gonna make some finishing touches on our mount here. This unit is kind of exposed. The customer did not have anything cover it, so we are gonna talk to them possibly about purchasing a small fake rock just to protect all this equipment the best that we can. We got our 6 color changing lights installed. We got a new Aqua Surge 2 to 4,000 gallon per hour adjustable speed pump in, and the system's looking great. Our customer just came out and gave me a nice cold cup of water after some hard work here. All right, we're just leaving our job here in Aurora, Colorado. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please feel free to comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Have a great day, guys.